Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is the three leading causes of fatal collision are impaired drivers, weather conditions, and the wavings in and out of your lane failings to maintain lane positions, speedings, and the impaired driving speedings, impaired drivings, and the weather condition, failing to maintain lane positions, speedings, and the inexperienced drivers. The correct answer of the question is the three leading causes of fatal accidents are failing to maintain lane position, speeding, and the impaired driving. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are answer sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.